In this video, we will be solving exercise 6.4 from the chapter percentage. First question. 18% of 650 students in a school choose to attend cricket coaching classes. How many students attend these classes? In this question, we have to find out the number of students attending cricket coaching classes. First, let us write the statement. So, number of students choose to attend cricket coaching class is equals to 650 students. Now let's find out the number of students attended cricket coaching class. Here in the question they've given 18%. That is, first we have to convert the percentage to fraction. We can do this by dividing it by 100. 18 by 100 into the total number into 650. Simplify this. The 0 and the 0 get cancelled. 10 and 65 both goes in 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 13s are 65. Multiply 18 and 13. 18 into 13 is 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. 234. We are left with 2 here. So 234 divided by 2. Now 234 and 2 goes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 11s are 22. 23 minus 22 is 1. 2 7s are 14. Anything divided by 1 is the number itself. So answer is 117. Therefore, 117 students attend cricket coaching classes. Next question. A crate contains 400 apples. 96 apples were found spoiled. Find the percentage of spoiled apples and good apples in the crate. Here we have to find out the percentage of spoiled apples and good apples. Let us write the statements. Number of apples in a crate is equals to, they've given the number of apples, that is 400. Next, number of spoiled apples. Equals to, they've given the number of spoiled apples, 96 apples. 96. Now let us find out the percentage of spoiled apples. Percentage of spoiled apples equals to spoiled apples by given quantity by total quantity into 100. Now simplify this. 2 zeros cancel. 96 and 4 goes in 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 8s are 16, 48 and 2 goes in 2 table again, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, so 24%. Now percentage of spoiled apple is 24%. Now they've also asked what is the percentage of good apples. Let us find out the percentage of good apples. Percentage of good apples. For this, you can subtract 100% minus spoiled percentage, that is 24%. 24%, 100 minus 24. 0, 9, 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 2 is 7, 76%. Therefore, percentage of spoiled apples equals to 24% and percentage of good apples equals to 76%. Next question. Sunil obtained 750 marks out of 800 and Preeti obtained 540 marks out of 600. Whose percentage is better? Here in this question we have to find out who got a good percentage, who got better percentage, or who got the highest. Now first let us find out the percentage of Sunil and then we'll find out the percentage of Preeti and then compare who got more. Let's write the statement. Marks obtained by Sunil is equals to, in the question they've given, Sunil obtained 750 marks. 750. Total marks is equals to, out of 800 Sunil got 750, so total marks are 800. Now let's find out the percentage obtained by Sunil. Percentage obtained by Sunil is equals to 750 given quantity by total quantity into 100. Simplify this. 2 zeros get cancelled. 750 and 8 goes in 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. 2 5s are 10. Again 375 and 4 goes in 2 table. Now divide 375 and 4. 4 outside and 375 inside. 4 9s are 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. Bring down 5. 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Put a decimal point and add a 0. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Since we have a decimal point here, we can add a 0 here. 4 5s are 20. So Sunil has scored 93.75%. Now we're done with Sunil. We will find out the percentage of Preeti. Marks obtained by Preeti equals to, given marks are 540 out of 600. So 540 total marks is equals to 600. Now let's find the percentage obtained by Preeti. Given marks by total marks into 100. Simplify this. 2 zeros cancel. 540 and 6 goes into table. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 7s are 14 and 0. 270 by 3. You can divide 270 by 3. 3 outside and 270 inside. 3 9s are 27. 27 minus 27 0. Bring down the 0. So 0. 90%. Here percentage obtained by Sunil is 93.75%. Percentage obtained by Preeti is 90%. So we have to find out who got the highest. So Sunil has got 93.75%. So Sunil's percentage is better. Next question. If there are 25 students in a class and out of them 15 are girls, then what is the percentage of A, girls and B, boys in the class? In this question, we have to find out the percentage of girls and boys from the given number of students in the class, that is from 25 students. Write the statement. Number of students in a class is equals to 25. There are 25 students in a class. Number of girl students equals to, they've given 15 are girls. So 15 girls. Now let's find the percentage of girls. Equals to given number 15 by total number into 100. Simplify this. 25 and 100 both goes in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 20s are 100. Again 5 and 20 goes in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. Multiply 15 4s are 60. So 60%. Now let's find out the percentage of boys. We can find out the percentage of boys by subtracting 100% minus 60%. So 100 minus 60 is 40%. Therefore, percentage of girls is equals to 60%. Percentage of boys is equals to 40%.